G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. The website said bolt on ready. Let's put that to the test. Naturally, I've waited till Sunday afternoon to chuck these in. I'm not expecting it to take very long, famous last words, but this should just right up in there, no dramas whatsoever, right? The bad boy here will be taken out. Bolt here, 3 up top. Job's good, job's done. Twist and remove. Underneath here with this bolt, easy as, and then just a gentle drop that whole unit down. Yeah, as you can see, not in bad shape. Still got me reusing the top mounts here. Get onto that now. Next up, take off this mounting plate here, attach it to the T3 coilover, undo this, pop. It's under a bit of pressure, use spring compressors if you got them. This is the bit we're interested in. Attach that to the top of the coilover, and you're away. Hooray! Now, I don't know how to put these in, and I've given it a go using the old mounts and kind of slotting them in with the coilovers, and it's in there. But I mean, these are meant to be bolt in, Dave, and I'm pretty sure you got a hole saw with it, didn't you? So I think I'm going to undo all that putting the hats blah blah that I did. I'm going to drill these out with the hole saw they've given me. So that's just going to go straight in without having to, you know, take anything apart. And I think that's really how it's meant to go. So we're going to do that. The nut heads go upside down like that, or the bolt, sorry, so the nut can go on top of it here. Got one hex bolt that's threaded that I can go into from up top here. And I also have to drill out this hole to make enough room for this. top tip, bust open a spray can lid so you don't get spray everywhere. Now I'm going to have to try and attach these now, which means I think the bolts sitting like that, so they turn into studs. Got this one coming down like so. This part I'm going to find pretty difficult, I think. I don't know how I'm going to do this solo. I could do it that way with these going down and attach studs in there, other bolts. I would have to say it's impossible to do it that way. Definitely have to be mounted upside down. Well, it's taken me the better part of the day, and I did it wrong, but then I did it right, so I think. Can it be done today? Yes. Is it bolt-in ready? Yes. Depending on human error, user error. Let's lower this thing, see what it looks like. A little quicker than I thought that was going to happen, but hey, here we are. Alright, done. Tighten it up, do a lap. My pile of trash here. Well, I mean that, not my e-bike. E-bike's nice, and obviously color code to the Datsun. Before we head out on our test drive, I just want to show you how messy my boot is, what these look like after install. Had to use the hole saw, as you saw, to widen up this rather than this being just the perfect size. They do stick out a bit from the tower on both sides, obviously, Dave. What that does mean is my original covers will not fit on. Might need a shout out to Brett. Fab me up some 3D ones with a larger wall, so they just go slot on. You won't even know they're there. I don't want to drill these. They're too nice. Kind of cool the fact that you can't really tell. Now I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to go for with this build overall. Modified, but you can't tell. Not like a sleeper, but just trying to, you know, keep it classy, man. Why not? Let's test these shocks out. Little peace sign to the dude at the window. Hey, little man. Nice. Alright, test drive of the rear coilovers. Just going to do a lap of Albert Park and see how they feel. What better way to test out the new rear coilovers than a lap of Albert Park? F1 Grand Prix circuit, lake and exercise joint. Only downside, it is 40 k's on this side, but we'll have a go. First thing I've noticed about the coilovers, having them, is the back no longer squats when I hit the gas, which is awesome. Yeah, attacked the speed bump there without any worry or slowdown. Check this one out. Yeah, nice. Not too stiff. A couple of sweeping turns. Wow, that feels a whole heap different already. Bear in mind I haven't done the fronts yet, so it's a little out of balance, but that feels night and day already. Alright, coming up to the straight. Stop people going ridiculous speeds here. They've got these portable chicanes, which you'll find at building sites. Attack them at super low speed, but still give us a little indication here. Definitely feels very well put together at the moment, especially in the rear end. The front's still a little squeaky, a little shaky, but yeah, that rear end, very, very happy. Things have made such a huge difference in the car. I am super happy with the way the car's performing at the moment. If you get a chance to get your hands on a set of T3 coilovers, definitely do it. Well worth it. Feels amazing taking off. Like I say, that rear squat, it's gone. For the first time, I felt kind of pushed back in my seat a little bit. You know, the motion's no longer squatting the rear, it's, you know, pushing you forward. It's fantastic. Someone who's never installed coilovers before, yeah, I got it wrong, but then I got it right. So really, look, see what I did. Don't do that, but do what I did second, because that's what you're meant to do. You get that done, it sounds like a riddle. You get that done and you just get to cruise. And this is nice. Oh, sit back, enjoy. Feeling so well put together. That rear squat is just completely gone. The back end feels so tight and confident. Well guys, I'd say this is the result. Time for me to get this thing back up on the jack stands, get that whole front end torn apart. I'm talking control arms, coilovers, tie rod ends. It's all happening. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.